Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is jeffdenis. In this video today we are going to practice a conversation in Haitian Creole. How you can create a conversation guy in Haitian Creole. Let's see how we can have a conversation in Haitian Creole. So conversation and Haitian Creole. Conversation and Haitian Creole. Good morning, bonjour. Good morning means in Creole, guy, bonjour. Good morning, bonjour. Okay, guy? Let me write write it for you guys separately. Bonjour. Okay, guy? Good morning, bonjour. Good morning, bonjour. Good afternoon, bon après-midi. Okay, guys? Bon après-midi. Okay, guys? Good afternoon, bon après-midi. Good evening, bonsoir. Bonsoir. Separately, guys. Bonsoir. Good evening, bonsoir. Good night, bonne nuit. Good night, bonne nuit. Okay, guys? Bonne nuit, good night. Okay? Good morning, bonjour. Good afternoon, bon après-midi. Good night, bonsoir. Okay, guys? Let's keep on. How are you? How are you? Comment ou ye? Comment ou ye? How are you? Comment ou ye? How are you doing today? How are you doing today? Ki jan ou ye jodi ya? How are you doing today? Ki jan ou ye jodi ya? How are you doing today? Ki jan ou ye jodi ya? I am fine. And you? I am fine. And you? Mwen pa, mwen bien, et vous? Mwen bien, et vous? I am fine. And you? Mwen bien, et vous? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Ki jan ou rele? What is your name? Ki jan ou rele? My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. Mwen rele Jeff. My name is Jeff. Mwen rele Jeff. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Mwen kontan renkontre ou. Mwen kontan renkontre ou. Nice to meet you. Okay, guys? I think, guys, you enjoyed the course. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe with my channel and also to leave a comment. I promise you every single day, guys, I will be posting on it some new lesson for you guys. Please, guys, share my page and also leave a comment. Invite more friends to see my page. Have a good day, guys.